Good morning, guys. So today's video is you and me shopping together at Big Lots, and I'm about to show you the store. I haven't been to Big Lots in a while, and I just kind of wanted to pop in here, see what was going on, and I love doing shop with me's and taking you guys along with me and showing you things that I really love, things that are really interesting to me. So that's what we're gonna do today. And as can you see? There we go. There is the store. If you're wondering what that writing is, this is a rental car. I had talked about, I think on my Instagram live, that my daughter got into a car wreck, I think. Well, she did. That's gonna be a whole story time on my vlog channel. She's just fine. Wasn't her fault. She's just fine. Don't worry. There was no ambulance. There was nothing like that. Yeah, so I'm driving this rental car. Her car's in the shop. It's gonna be there for about 2 weeks. And that's why there's writing on the wall. Okay, writing on the window. I honestly don't even know why there's writing on the window, but I didn't do it. The rental car people did. Alright, so they are unfortunately playing music, so I'll have to insert some of my own music every now and then, but I'll try to pop on here and do some talking, or maybe I'll do like a voiceover. Ooh, what is that? That is so cute. Alright, so we're gonna do a voiceover just because I wanted you guys to feel like you were right there with me, and I know sometimes just listening to music and seeing things gets kind of boring, and I have a lot to share with you today, so hopefully stick around and watch this entire video because they have the best stuff I've ever seen at Big Lots. I will say some of this, like the stuff that you're seeing here, some of it I feel like is going to be better at Hobby Lobby because Hobby Lobby is always running some kind of deal, and if they're not, if that deal isn't on that particular week that you're shopping at Hobby Lobby, they do have coupons, which I know a lot of you already know. So I thought some of the stuff for the home sign marked for $30, I just thought I could probably get something cheaper at Hobby Lobby. I'm showing you a lot of that stuff was broken. There were some mirrors that were broken, but there was some really gorgeous pieces that you just don't see at Hobby Lobby. So, you know, you can either buy because you obviously really love that piece, or buy out of a convenience for already being at Big Lots. I just think some of the prices at Hobby Lobby are better. The sign that says "I love doing life with you" I thought was really special and unique. I love the rope detail and then the galvanized piece. It looks like something that you might attach a picture to. I wasn't really sure how you would use that, but I thought this whole section had a bunch of gems in it. The home sign that was in brown, I didn't like as much as the cream colored. I thought that the twig wreath and then the burlap ribbon looked a little cheap, so I preferred the other one. And then I'm just showing you guys some like random candles and stuff. I'm telling you guys, thinking about Dollar Tree when they have all those llama stuff, llama is in. As you can see, it's even at Big Lots for well more than $1. Obviously some of this stuff you're not going to see at Dollar Tree, but just showing you that there is trendy stuff at Dollar Tree. But yeah, you'll see at the end there is going to be haul as well. I thought that this next little piece was really adorable. I feel like this is kind of a new trend, these beads, and maybe not so new, maybe it's been a couple months now. I've also seen this similar style even in like baby pacifiers, especially from Sierra's post, and I've also seen it from OK Baby, and it's just really interesting, the beading work. I don't know, must be some new wave thing. I have to say, I'm still in this weird place where I just don't know what I truly love from a home decor perspective, from my own personal home. I love seeing so many different varieties. I think it's all beautiful. I think farmhouse is great. I think modern is great. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. I think there's just so many beautiful styles. I just have yet to figure out what I love. Really, I think what I love is just, I want my house to feel homey. I want it to not necessarily be too Instagrammy, which I've said before, and my living room can kind of look like that a little bit, but I just, you know, I want books lying around and magazines and blankets and You know, lots of, you know, family pictures and things like that, but I'm still confused as to really what I want. I do love the way my living room turned out. I love the colors that I chose. I think I'm realizing that I really like darker, warmer colors. I feel like that really makes something feel warm and cozy, or darker colors. And maybe I attribute that to like fall and winter. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just kind of talking about random things. Obviously, you're seeing really cute things on this screen. I love these plastic glasses. They were really adorable and very Golden Girls. And then I stopped by and take a look at just some regular glassware. I feel like my dishwasher has been ruining some of my glasses, and I just needed to get some new ones, really. This is one of the reasons why I love stores like Big Lots and TJ Maxx. I feel like you see things that you wouldn't normally see in mass production, like at a Walmart or a Target. Maybe these are there, I don't even know. But I thought these mason jars were adorable. There were owls, these foxes, which were so cute, and those country little milk jugs. Oh my gosh, adorable. Dollar Tree has those too, but I preferred the ones we just saw in the store. I love all of these little canisters as well. I really love this Tiffany blue color, and the brush of like black I thought made it look really country and raw, and I love that. Also, I've been noticing this black and white like trend going on, like those cookie jars you just saw. I think those are cool too, but not necessarily my style. I do like the rooster thing, actually. Fun fact, but a long time ago I used to have like a rooster theme in my kitchen, well before I even started YouTube, so you would never have seen it on my channel. This was when I first had like gotten my apartment, when I had my daughter and I was like 19 years old. Also, can we talk about these mugs? Are you like me? Do you have already too many? I feel like mugs is one of those things where this may sound horrible, but I think it's time for me to like get rid of some and donate them and bring in a new wave. Because these were really cute, and the only reason why I didn't end up picking up any is because I thought I have no room for them. So I need to go through them. I'll probably do that on my vlog channel, get rid of some, and then pick up some new ones. I found some of the cutest garden, outdoor decor, summertime decor, so buckle up because you're about to see some really cute things. I'm really not surprised by this, to be honest, because whenever I do visit Big Lots, it's probably my favorite section to go through. They have really unique things. I mean, look at these, you know, dog bunny silhouettes out of just a faux, you know, bush hedge or whatever like you call those. I think those are really charming and adorable. The bunny's probably a little bit out of date for spring and Easter, but maybe there was a deal going on it. I didn't really see any discounted prices, but I loved the topiaries. Then I go into some of their summer collections and I see the little ice cream plates, and don't worry, I put them in that red container only because I knew I was going to put it in my cart, so I was just storing it in there while I looked at this other stuff, and then you'll see it that it's going to be in my haul. I loved seeing all of this summertime stuff. I have to say, their drinkware was stellar. I loved it. It really kind of reminds me of HomeGoods, which I wouldn't necessarily compare Big Lots to HomeGoods. I feel like HomeGoods definitely takes the cake, and they're, you know, but Big Lots also really has a lot of furniture and living room stuff that you normally don't typically see at HomeGoods. So I love that we obviously have different stores to shop from, but I have to say the drinkware was really cute. The cactus mason jars, adorable. And then look at these signs. The happy camper. I loved all the metal detail, and the, what sign? Oh yes, the truck, the blue truck with those flowers and the burlap. Honestly, looking at this through editing, I'm wondering why I didn't, why in the world did I not pick that up? I also love this cute little bicycle, which honestly, side note, we're going to jump off track here for a second, but I want to get myself a bike, like a really cute bike with a basket and just, you know, ride around the neighborhood. I don't have a bike, so maybe in a vlog we'll go bike shopping. So anyway, looking at these yellow plates and stuff, I almost got some, but I was just kind of like, eh. I was in one of those shopping moods where I wasn't quite sure what I wanted. You know, sometimes I I see things and they excite me and I want it all, and then sometimes I'm just kind of like, I don't know. Anyone else go through that when they're shopping? Also, okay, is this little fairy stuff a trend now? I feel like I've put it in my Michael's shop with me a long time ago. It's really big at Hobby Lobby, and the collection here at Big Lots was a shocker. It, for me, is by far the best, cutest fairy collection I've ever seen. Where do you set this up? Does this go outside? I know this isn't for little kids, or is it for little kids? I feel like this is more like she shed, but I don't know. Let me know, is this for adult women? Is this for kids? Like, let me know what you think. I feel like it's for women, and if so, where would you kind of display this? It makes me want to buy all of this and just start a whole collection. It's just the cutest little thing. And these little houses that look like a bouquet of flowers, those were probably some of my favorites. So I was really shocked. I was not expecting to roll up into Big Lots and see some of these things. They were really charming and definitely brings out the kid in me. I don't know about how you guys feel, but when I see this stuff, it's just like I want to start a whole new collection, kind of like my Dollar Tree Christmas Village set, which I want to like keep growing that as well. And the very last section before we get into our haul, you guys can kind of see what I ended up picking up. I really loved their 4th of July collection. I thought it was so beautiful and unique. I don't think we would see some of this stuff in Hobby Lobby. And some of it, looks pretty generic, like you could kind of pick up at Walmart and stuff like that. But my dog is, yep, there goes Loxy. But this home sign with the burlap banner that says home, I need to go back and pick this beauty up. Alright guys, so we are gonna do a car haul of everything that I just got at Big Lots, but let's go ahead and do the haul and I'll show you guys kind of what I got. I was really impressed with everything that they had in this store, and honestly I didn't even show you guys everything that they had. There are a couple people walking there staring at me. They're like, what is this lady doing? Very impressed. I probably could have done like a whole nother video of just everything else that I didn't show you guys. So thumbs up if you want me to do more Big Lots haul. I got some multi-purpose clips. Now I can get these at Dollar Tree. I think you get 4 to a pack at Dollar Tree, and these I got 5. And they were $4, I believe, so better deal at Dollar Tree. But these are really, really good quality, and I think the ones at Dollar Tree are too. I just grabbed these because I was already there, and I just need more clips for chip bags. I mean, I can't tell you how many bags of chips go stale because my daughter and her friends don't close these bags. So I got that. And I did get this really pretty M right here. I just thought it was really pretty and I love the color combo. So got this for home decor. All right, let's see. You probably would have seen this in the clip. I did pick up these paper plates. I just love this kind of stuff. I don't know why. Does anyone else love illustrations like this? I just love the cartoony effect of these ice cream cones. They're just really pretty. $3.50 and you get a lot in here. You get 24 count. It seemed like a lot more than that, but I'm guessing just because these are probably really good and durable. And this is gonna be good for summertime. I'm gonna start doing some more barbecuing again. Let me know your thoughts. This was something that you did not see me film, but I found this really cute iPhone case. I've never heard of this brand before, so let me know what you think. It's called Winx, and then it says Becca down here. I guess this is who it's by, and this is the Winx collection. And I got it for the iPhone 8 Plus, which is the phone that I have. I just really liked how pretty it was. And usually, I'm not really into iPhone cases. I just have a very generic, clear iPhone case for mine, but it's like a shock absorber kind of case that I got from Amazon. But I thought this was cute and it was $8, so I grabbed that. All right, I did end up picking this candle. It's really cute. It's a coconut, and it obviously is meant to look like a coconut. It smells really nice. It's $6. I just like the wood effect of it because it'll go really nice with my furniture, and I'm gonna put this in my living room. I did end up picking this little house, this little farmhouse up with this little hook. At first, do you ever pick up something where you're like, I have no idea what I need this for, but I just like it? So I put it in my cart because I wanted to just sit and think about it. And then I realized, I was like, you know what? My daughter's been losing her car keys way too much. So I'm gonna use this to put in the kitchen, and then she can just always put her car keys on this little hook, and this will be like her little car key hook place. So I think I'm gonna install this in the kitchen, but we'll see. Follow me on my vlog channel to see where this ends up. And the very last thing, I almost went with the 16 count of glasses, but honestly, I think it's my dishwasher. My dishwasher is so bad and it's been ruining a lot of my glasses, and I had to get some new ones. I just decided to go with 4. They had a lot of really cute decor right now, but for me, whenever, like the 4th of July, it was gorgeous, but I haven't really thought too much about 4th of July, and I don't really know how I want to decorate or any of that, so I didn't just want to buy impulsively. Usually because whenever I want to decorate for a holiday, I plan it out. Like I go around my house, I look at spaces, like my fireplace mantle, my console table, my entryway. I look at all those spaces and I think what I want each of these spaces to look like. And then when I have an idea, I go shopping with that in mind. And I haven't quite gotten there, and there's a good chance I may not even decorate. 4th of July kind of always slips through for me. I've never been a fan of fireworks, and I mean, they're great, but I've never been like, I need to see them, you know? So, yeah, so that's that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for coming along with me for shopping at Big Lots. Not gonna make this outro too long. I hope you have a very good day or weekend or whenever you're watching this, and I will see you next time.